Hey guys, so it's time to do a quick little video here between the S4 Mini and the Galaxy Mega 6.3. And this is of course not full reviews, it's a which is fast video because I overall used this first day. I want to check out which phones people are mostly interested in seeing versus the Galaxy S4 Mini. So of course we can point out obvious things in other videos and compare them in detail, like specs and software and the user experience and all of that. But one thing I can point out pretty quick here though is that the display is so much better on the S4 Mini than the LCD display here that you do get on the Galaxy Mega, which is just a huge device. I mean, look at this, it's awesome. But this is just gonna be a quick boot up test, so which we see which one. This is a mid-range device and this is also like a mid-range device, even though I think the S4 Mini is a little bit more powerful. Wham! Wham! Okay, let's do it! Let's boot them up! Boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. And I know people love me when I say like boot up. Boot up, I'm gonna boot you up. i9205, i9195. Almost the same they are. But yet, you can really see that they are like brothers. Now we're just waiting for, I mean, both these share the S4 design. We're just waiting for the next generation Note, or 2013 Galaxy Note, which of course will be coming out here maybe the 4th of September on some kind of IFA event or something. But yeah, you did see here it was a little bit quicker, a little bit snappier in terms of speed, but then of course in terms of real world performance, of course you all guys want to see that, so I'll be checking that out in future videos. So thanks for watching this video and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Yeah, peace out.